Hi all, I am Dr. Anupama Verma. I am pathologist practicing at Ulhasnagar, Mumbai and Dombivli since 21 years. As I am pathologist, I will pertain my discussion only to COVID diagnosis. At present, in acute and symptomatic patients, there are two types of testing which are advocated. Most common and famous one is RT-PCR testing. It is considered gold standard. If person is having positive result with RT-PCR, it doesn't need any confirmation. It is 100% positive. But in 30 to 40% cases, there are false negatives. False negatives means patient is actually positive, but result has been negative. In such cases, you can go for antigen testing also. It may come positive. Now, what is antigen testing? As you know about RT-PCR testing, it involves collection from oropharynx and nasopharynx, and it has to be sent in VTM, that is viral transport media, and it has to be performed by a specialized machine by a specialized personnel, and report comes to you after 1 to 2 days. You can also go for antigen testing. The advantage of antigen testing, it is called COVID-19 antigen testing, that it is easily available. You don't have to take prior appointment. It can be done in your city. It can be done in an office setting. It can be done. The results are out within 35 minutes. It is faster. No appointment is necessary and no special machine is necessary. A well-trained technician under the guidance of pathologist can perform the test and results are there within 35 minutes to you. So patient can come after few hours to you with the result. So that is the advantage of it. So in present pandemic, what we are suggesting after the antigen testing have come, that you send the patient for antigen testing first, because it is cheaper also. Nowadays, the government and corporation have made this test free of cost for the patients. So it's free. So what you have to do, if the patient comes to you with the fever or the symptoms of ILI or system of SARI, having all breathlessness, fever, cough, symptomatic patient, then first you send the patient, immediately you can send the patient for antigen testing. From the day 2 to day 5, antigen testing may come positive. If the test come positive, it is considered 100% positive. It doesn't require confirmation by any other testing because it is highly sensitive test. Because the sample we are taking it out from the nasopharynx, from the site of infection. So it is considered positive. Now what happens if the test is negative? If the test comes negative, antigen testing comes negative, that means it has got false negative rate very high. So it may miss the test. So if it's positive, it's positive. But if antigen test comes negative and you are suspecting that it can be a positive symptomatic case, then you have to advise the patient to go for RT-PCR. RT-PCR testing is also going to be done by oropharyngeal and nasopharyngeal swab collection, and you will get report after 2 to 3 days. So that is the use of RT-PCR and antigen. Many doctors, they are postponing the test in case of fever, doing Vidal testing and MP testing and dengue testing. But in COVID pandemic, most of the clinicians, most of the senior doctors and government protocol also, they are advising then do the testing on day 2 itself. So the best time to pick up the virus is between day 2 to day 5. Don't waste that time. It's good for everyone. If you pick up the disease between day 2 to day 5, you can start the treatment. You can separate, you can isolate that patient from the rest of the community and rest of the family. So you can stop the spread of infection. You can save the community. So that is the message. Use RT-PCR and antigen testing judiciously and effectively. Earlier the diagnosis, better the treatment, faster the relief, and you can control the community spread also. Thank you.